Graduate with Plan B.
Institute of doing accounting as a course. Anasemaga that anafanya is studying as a hobby but doing BF Suma as a career. You can imagine. Same as someone and by just as a by the way. So yeah, that's it when he got his local travel and Washington around. There he is very, very smart. And the good thing is the same suit. And alikuwa amevaa hiyo siku ndo amevaa. Unaona hadi venye anakaa cool. So would you like to hear from him? Nataka kuongea makofi. Yeah? Would you want to hear from him? So I'll just give him 1 minute to say a word so that he can share something with us. So let's warm our hands. Let's give Sir Washington Njenga 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. Nyingi sana mpaka apige. Karibu sana kiongozi. Looking very sharp.
Thank you. So, good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. So, my name is Washington Njenga. I'm currently a second year student at Vision Institute. Actually, ndio nimetoka class, when nimepigia simu nikaambiwa there are people who want to become part. How many of us would like to become part of BF Sumo? Just raise up your hand. Yes, thank you. So I've just come purposefully for you. Unaona hizi makaratasi zangu za class, nimetoka class hii kufanya exam. But hiyo si ya maana sahi. Anyway, so I'm a second year student at Vision Institute doing BF Sumo on a full-time basis. So before I became part of BF Sumo, I was a bright broke student. We went to get 1 course meal per day hapo shule. It was a struggle. For how many of us are students? Wangapi ni wanafunzi shule? How many of us are students back in campus? So what is the cheapest food? Naweza nunua hapo mess. Mbona how much? Yes? How much students? Sisemi ni una kulanga, ni how much? Yeah? The cheapest food pale mess back in campus. Ni how much? 10 bob. So imagine I was not even able to afford that 10 shillings. That was where BF Sumo picked me up from. So right now I can say that BF Sumo is a platform that has really come to Africa and is changing people's lives. One thing I've realized about BF Sumo, it has helped me. I've been able right now, courtesy of BF Sumo, I'm able to pay my school fees, I'm able to pay all my bills, and I'm able to take myself to places where even I've never ever imagined. Actually, when I was a young child, nilikuwa natamani sana kupanda ndege. But kulingana na venye economy ilikuwa inaendelea, sikuwa naona kama nitawahi panda. But now courtesy of BF Sumo, it has been able to give me this. And what I'm excited about the progress I've made. But one thing that really excites me the most is the future. The future is always bright courtesy of BF Sumo, because out there, how many people are suffering with degrees, knocking each and every other office? Ukienda kwa ofisi unaambiwa enda ukuja na 1 year experience. Where will I get that 1 year experience? And whereas you're the one who's supposed to give me that 1 year experience. So Napanda, there was a time even our former deputy president went to a graduation pale Kenyatta University. Akasema, thank you for graduating, but there are no jobs. Imagine after studying for 4 years, leo unaambiwa hakuna kazi. How would you feel? How would you feel? So that's why for me, courtesy of BF Sumo, I like saying that formal education is not the key to success. But one thing that is the key to success, it is financial education. There are two different things. Formal education ni unasoma. For example, when we ask, chemistry inasaidia wapi huko nje? Inasaidia wapi? Sijui dieteta, hiyo inasaidia wapi sahi? Another thing, physics sahi inasaidia wapi sahi? Sawa, calculus inasaidia wapi sahi? Inasaidia wapi? Kupima maji, kujua level ya maji inakusaidia wapi sahi? But you see, tunaambiwa tusome hizo vitu zote. We are all going to school. There's a system that we are usually told. Go to school, study hard, get a job and become successful. But is it the same case right now? How many people out there are struggling with jobs? They wake up each and every day, going to jobs they don't like, going to bosses they don't like facing each and every day. That's why I became part of BF Sumo, because courtesy of BF Sumo, actually I'm not even an year old in BF Sumo. And the progress, I'm happy about the progress. So one thing I'd like to tell you, that there are so many rich dropouts and poor graduates. So you're the one to decide where do you want to be. Do you want to be among the rich dropouts, or do you want to be among the poor graduates? You're the one now to decide where you want to be. So I'll not talk much because today is not my day. We'll interact more during the meetings after this session, the one-on-one meetings, where we'll interact more on that. So thank you so much, and I'd like to welcome you all to BF Sumo. So thank you so much for listening to me.
Wow. Oh, makofi mingi sana ya Mr. Washington. Mingi. Wow, you can imagine as a student, unaingia kwa class. Hadi lecturer bibi anataka kutoroka sasa. Yeah? And that's the power of this company. Sawa? Yeah, and one statement nimekumbuka hapo. Let me just go to the next one. So, the next person you can see is who?